This is the beginning of a next stage in your journey. Hopefully you can take what you've learned and the network you've gained from Sasin and leverage that to reach your personal and professional goals.
Current student, when your task is to maximize the time you have at Sasin, both in terms of building and fostering relationship and learning from experienced faculty members as well as learning from your peers. For the recent graduates, I think it would be more about going back to the real world and contributing towards something greater.
Learning how to learn. The knowledge, the information that you have learned the past year or two will be obsolete fairly soon. So continue to learn is very important. Continue to gather the information and knowledge and gather new friends.
And this is just a start of your lifelong learning experience. Friendships that you are having at the school can guideline you into walking into the future.
Embrace the past, because the past will linger with you for a long time. I would advise you to enjoy the present. Your present is your friends, your co-worker, your family. And last but not least is encourage the future, because the future is within all of us to encourage each other for the better world, for the better future.
Most of Sasin grads are all business oriented. So my advice to them was every year, take stock of your life. I think business is important, but family is important. And your health is important. Invest in your health, your mental health, your physical health, and time spent with your family is very important because time flies. And once you hit 50, then you're like, oh, I should have done this. Work will always be there, but life you have to still live.
I would encourage you to think back about your time at Sasin, what you learned here, and combine all your experience and knowledge and try to get over the difficulties that may face you, because the success lies behind it. And I'm sure that whatever you learn here at Sasin will make you very ready to get to your goal ultimately.
Don't be afraid. The opportunity to learn from the actual activities, you're actually doing something. It will make you even better. Especially when you are still young, you have more time. Whatever doesn't kill you will make you stronger. So don't be afraid.
The advice to the younger generation for the business that you're building, think win-win, trying to take the whole society with you and your business.
You have to be value-driven individual, and in my experience, I think values are going to become more and more important, and you will be more challenged in the future on the test of values than on the test of skills. Skills, you can even get AI to do it, but values is something that only humans understand and execute.